So the question still remains, how much do you need to cut off of the front cover to clear the belt? Well, we got to cut it right there. Everyone knows that. How much and what angle, right? So I've got a way for you to figure it out. You got this pulley on, that's a good start. Get yourself out a flat ruler or something like that. Doesn't need to be a ruler, but something flat, yeah? Let's go ahead and put it right here against that pulley. That gives us some trajectory. So you can see the tangent that we need to cut at. So we need to cut at this angle, but we need to cut until this ruler is able to cover this hole right here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark right along here, and then I'm gonna use my aluminum cutting bit, this one. It's a square edge, so that way I can cut this way, because right now the casting goes sort of that way, a little bit that way. So we need to cut it to where it's planar this way. Now I would say you could use the ruler this way, but rulers are floppy, so that's not really gonna work, is it? So again, if you just hold the ruler right here though, you can see there's what appears to be maybe a less than a 1/4 inch worth of material that we need to cut here for this to be able to cock over. So I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of the way. We're gonna get to cutting. And that appears to be it. Like I said, get this on here, make sure it covers up that hole. We're good to go. Also, it's very important to note that you should be cutting square, because the belt cuts, or the belt will come across like this, so you need to make sure that you're cutting along the face and along the face this way. That way the belt is clear all the way in, all the way out, and you don't have any of that interference. Thanks for watching.